Next exercise 6.1 trigonometry 6.1 question number 5. If cos A is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square, then find the value of sin A and tan A in terms of x. Cos A value is given, that is 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We have to find out the value of sin A and tan A in terms of x. In terms of x means the values are in the term of x. X இருக்க மாதிரி தான் என்ன வரும் அப்படினா அதோட values வரும். Okay, given cos A is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 2x divided by 1 plus x square. What is the ratio for cos A? Cos theta ratio is hypotenuse value. Adjacent side by hypotenuse value. Okay. With right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse. If theta is lies here, this is adjacent side. This is opposite side. A, B, C. Their adjacent side is given as 2x. So BC value is given as 2x. And hypotenuse value is given as 1 plus x square. We have to find out the opposite value, then only we can write the value of sin A and tan A. First we have to find out the opposite value using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Says hypotenuse tan, which means theta is lies on A. You can change the points also. The A A, B, C, anything. So it means this is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Opposite we have to find out. Adjacent is 2x. So using the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Hypotenuse square, that is AC square, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square value, that is 1 plus. Here we have to find out the value of BC. AB we shifted over the next side plus AB square will change into minus AB square. So BC square, which is equal to already AC square is there, plus AB square will change into minus AB square. So now substitute the values. AC value is 1 plus x square the whole square minus what is the value of AB? 2x the whole square. This is nothing but A plus B the whole square formula. What is the formula for A plus B the whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is A, this is B. You have to expand this. A square, that is 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x square plus x square the whole square. X square the whole square. This is the x square the whole square minus 2 square is 4x is x square minus 4x square. Now 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 2 into x square 2x square plus x square the whole square is equal to x power 4 minus 4x square. Now 2x square minus 4x square. It can be changes. X power 4 minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. X square is common plus 1. This is nothing but we can write as x square the whole square minus 2 into 1 into x plus 1 square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula for a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b the whole square. Here a is equal to x square, b is equal to 1. You can write anything. A is equal to x square, b is equal to 1, or else a is equal to 1, A plus B is equal to x square. Okay, we can write the opposite side, then we can write the opposite side value is equal to 1 minus x square. That is A minus B the whole square is A is 1, B is x square. So A minus B the whole square. This is what the formula. This is what the value of BC square. Square cancel now. BC is equal to BC is equal to 1 minus x square. So BC is the opposite side value. The value is 1 minus x square. So either 1 minus x square. Now opposite side value and hypotenuse value, adjacent value you know. You can find out the side A value and tan A. What is the ratio of side A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Is equal to opposite side is 1 minus x square divided by hypotenuse value is 1 plus x square. So sine A value is 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. What is the value of tan A? Tan A ratio is adjacent by tan A value opposite by adjacent. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is opposite side? 1 minus x square divided by adjacent side is 2x. So these are the two values for sin and tan theta. இத உள்ள எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் எழுதுனா கரெக்ட். ஓகே. தெரியுதா இது? தெரியுதா? இதெல்லாம் புரியுதா? அதா டவுட்டா? அதா டவுட் இல்ல அகைன் இல்ல. Okay, next sixth question. If sin theta is equal to a divided by root a square b square. If sin theta is equal to, that is what given value. Given sin theta is equal to a divided by root of a square plus b square. We have to prove. What is that to prove?
B sin theta is equal to a cos theta.
To prove
B sin theta
b sin theta
is equal to
a
cos theta.
A cos theta. We have to prove b sin theta is equal to
A cos theta.
Given value sin theta is equal to a divided by root of a square plus b square. So from this given value, sin theta, what is that? A divided by root of a square plus b square. Sin theta ratio is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side value is a, hypotenuse value is root of a square plus b square. In right angle triangle, A, B, C, theta lies on here. AC is the hypotenuse value and BC is the adjacent value. AB is the opposite value. Opposite value is equal to A. Hypotenuse value is equal to root of A square plus B square. We have to find out the adjacent value. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out the value of adjacent. Adjacent side oda value we first find out. Then only we have to find out the cos theta value. Cos theta ratio என்னது? Adjacent by hypotenuse. இங்க நமக்கு adjacent value clear. So we have to find out the adjacent value. Then only we can find the value of cos theta. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலா ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, what is the hypotenuse square? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here we have to find out the value of BC. So AB shifted over the next side plus AB square will change into minus AB square. So therefore BC square is equal to already AC square is there minus square. What is the answer? BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. AC square value is root of A square plus B square. A square plus B square the whole square minus AB value is A the whole square. If we squaring the root value, root will be cancelled. So A square, BC square is equal to A square plus B square minus A square A square minus A square plus A square will be cancelled. Then remaining is B square. BC square is equal to B square. Then square will cancel. BC is equal to B. BC is the adjacent side value. So adjacent side value is equal to B. So BC value is taken as adjacent value. We have to find out the value of cos theta. Cos theta ratio is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is B and hypotenuse value is equal to root of A square plus B square. B divided by root of A square plus B square. Now we have to prove B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. B into sin theta. B into sin theta value is equal to A divided by root of A square plus B square is equal to A cos theta. A into cos theta value is B divided by
A square
plus B square. Now we have to multiply this A into B. AB. AB divided by root of A square plus B square, which is equal to A into B. AB divided by root of A square plus B square. Then both are equal. Times root. Because the question is, we have to prove B sin theta is equal to A cos theta. Cos theta would value new, sin theta would value new, B A the multiply value must be equal. And equal of the hence the answer is verified. Next, seventh question. If 3 cot A is equal to 2, then find the value of 4 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A. Given value is 3 cot A is equal to 2. From this we can write 3 multiply 3 will change into divide. So cot A is equal to 2 divided by 3. What is the ratio for cot A? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Because cos is the reciprocal of tan. Tan theta is having opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Reciprocal of tan theta. So from this we can write adjacent value is 2. Opposite value is 3. Imagine as C, a right angle triangle ABC. So if it is theta by C of BC value, that is adjacent value is theta equal. Adjacent value is 2 and opposite value is 3. We have to find out the hypotenuse value. So what is the Pythagoras theorem says? Using
A square
Pythagoras theorem.
AC square equal to BC square plus BD square.
AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to
AD square plus BC square.
opposite side square plus
BC
adjacent side square. Here we have to find out the hypotenuse value. So AB value is equal to 3. 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. 9 plus 4 13. AC square is equal to 13. Then AC is equal to root of 13. That's all. This is what the hypotenuse value. Root 13. Okay. Now we can write what is that? What we have to find sin A, cos A value find out. First we have to find out sin A value. Sin A is the ratio of opposite side hypotenuse. So what is the value for opposite side? 3 divided by hypotenuse value root 13. And then
cos
value.
adjacent by hypotenuse.
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is
2
divided by
root 30.
Now we have cos A value and sin A value. Substitute in the what we have to find. What is that value is given? 4
4
sin A minus 3
cos A divided by 2 sin A plus 3 cos A
plus 3 cos A is equal to 4 into
4
what is the value for sin A?
opposite
3
value
divided by value. We have to write the value 3 divided by root 30 minus 3 into what is the value of cos A? 2 divided by root 30. The whole divided by 2 into what is the value for sin A? 3 divided by
root 30
root 30 plus 3 into
3
what is the value for cos A? 2 divided by
root 30
root 30. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two values to be multiplied. 4 into 3,
12
12, which is equal to 12. 12 divided by
root 30
root 30. 12 divided by root 30.
minus 6
Minus 3 to the
6
6. 6 divided by root 30. The whole divided by 2 into 3, 6. 6 divided by root 30 plus 3 to the 6. 6 divided by
root 30
root 30. Now 6. The numerator. Look at the numerator. Numerator, two fractions are there.
6
With subtraction. 2 divided by root 30 minus 6 divided by root 30. Since the denominator is same. Denominator is same. Both are having root 3 as a denominator. For the numerator, we have to take a common denominator, that is root 30. மேல இருக்கு ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே என்னது common denominator root 30. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. For denominator, both are having same denominator, that is root 30. 6 plus 6. Clear? So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 divided by root 30. Divided by 6 plus 6.
12
12 divided by
root 30 root 30
12 divided by root 30 will change into a reciprocal. கீழ இருக்கு denominator வந்து மேல போச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? We can write as a 6 divided by root 3 root 30 into root 30 divided by 12. 12 divided by root 30 reciprocal change out root 30 divided by 12. Root 30 will be cancelled. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. This is equal to 1 divided by 2. This is what the value of 4 sin A
minus 3 cos A
sin A minus 3 cos A
divided by 2
divided by
2 sin
2
A
sin A
plus
plus 3
cos A
cos A. Clear?
yes master
Important prima question.
Eighth question. If cos theta is to sin theta is equal to 1 is to 2, then find the value of 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta.
Given ratio cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to 1 is to 2. We can write the ratio into the fraction. So cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to 1 divided by 2. Cos theta divided by sin theta. What is the value for cos theta divided by sin theta? Adjacent by
hypotenuse
hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is equal to adjacent by 9. What is the value for cos theta and sin theta? Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta எதோட reciprocal? Cot theta ஓட reciprocal. Tan வந்து sin by cos அப்படினா cos by sin என்னவா இருக்கும்? Cot theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. sin theta divided by cos theta எப்படி எழுதணும்னா tan theta எழுதணும். ஓகே. So tan theta ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் cos theta. So cos theta இது அப்படியே என்ன ஆகும்? ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆகும். That is cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Then we can write cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So this value is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 by 2. What is the ratio for cot theta?
Adjacent by opposite.
Adjacent by
Opposite.
opposite side. Adjacent by
Opposite.
side. Here also we have to find out the value of hypotenuse. In right angle triangle ACB. So this is opposite side. Opposite side is given as 2 and adjacent side that is given as 1. We have to find out the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem says? AC square is equal to
AD
AB
square
square plus BC square. So AB square value is equal to 2. 2 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1 5. AC square is equal to 5. Then AC is equal to
root 5.
root of 5. This is what the hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse value is equal to root of. It is not 0.5. More than that. AC is equal to root of 5. So now hypotenuse value we have. Cos theta and sin theta. So first we have to find out the sin ratio. Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite side? 2 divided by hypotenuse value is equal to root 5. And cos theta
Adjacent by
by hypotenuse. What is that adjacent side here? 1 divided by
root 5.
root 5. Now we have to find out the value of 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Now substitute the value. 8 into cos theta value is equal to 1 by
root 5.
1 by root 5 minus 2 into sin theta value is equal to
2 by root 5.
2 by
Root 5.
5. The whole divided by 4 into cos theta value is 1 by root 5 minus plus 2 into sin theta value is 2 divided by
root 5.
root 5. Same as it is before what we do. Multiply number should be multiplied numerator values. 8 into 1
8.
8. So that is equal to 8 divided by root 5 minus 2 into 2
4.
4 divided by root 5. The whole divided by 4 into 1
4.
4 divided by root 5 plus 2 into 2
4 divided
4 divided by root 5. 6 in the numerator, the denominator values are same. So we can write a common denominator root 5 as it is 8 minus 4. For the numerator 8 minus 4. The whole divided by in the denominator same. Since the denominator is different, that is root 5 4 plus 4. This is equal to 8 minus 4 is
4.
4 divided by root 5. Whole divided by 4 plus 4. 8 divided by root 5. 8 divided by root 5 will change into reciprocal root 5 divided by 8. So 4 divided by root 5 into root 5 divided by 4. So root 5 divided by 8. Root 5 cancel 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. This is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value? 8 cos theta
Minus 2 sin
minus
theta
2 sin theta divided by
4 cos theta
4 cos theta
plus 2 sin
plus
theta.
2 sin theta. Value which is equal to 1 by 2. Is there any doubt?